Okay, let's go on with our journey on how I import my old website to Windows CMS. This is Cyberholic tutorial 1.1.14, am I correct? 1.1.14, and the title is going to be Adapt block entry views depending on its category within the Winter block plugin. This is long. And by talking of long, you can hear that I'm still COVID positive. I've done already 3 tutorial videos today, and on all of them, I mentioned that I'm still COVID positive. So no changes at all. Okay, what do I want to create with this video? This is my blog page, and a few videos ago, I created it in Winter CMS with the Winter block plugin. And yesterday I made my first entry after now like 2 years or something like that. Then there is there are the default, the first post coming when you install the plugin, the block plugin, and some other things. And then starting here with body bag, oh naughty, life is a maze, etc. are my wallpapers. You can see 20th January, 28th December 2019. So these are my coming from the wallpaper, as you can see here, also from the wallpaper category, and from the block category come these ones. The block category, in theory, some block entries might have an image and text. Okay, totally normal. The wallpaper category, sorry. The wallpaper category, in theory, I just want to show the image here together with a download button so that you have the direct download of the wallpaper. So I don't need this read on button here. And I don't need the 3 dots coming from the content of the block entry. If you remember, you have in Winter CMS, you have to insert at least 1 character within the content area. Otherwise, you can't save the block item. Okay, so this is quite simple to do. I go to the Cyberholic blog page. And what we need to do is this. If you just let me put this in full screen. Okay, what we need to do, just give me a second. Yeah, okay. So what we need to do is before here from line 11 to line 25, we have our for loop. Sorry, our for loop showing the posts. And all that we need to do is just a simple TWIG if else. What is it called? If else check. If else, what is it called? Okay, blackout, COVID blackout. All we need to do is just check what type of category, and depending on the category, just define the layout. I'm just going to give you an example. Curly brackets, %, curly brackets. And because I'm lazy, I'm copying this one and write it in here. If oh, sorry, wait. No, it's not going to be that easy, Mr. Pinto. Because the category comes from within the post category. So we need the category name first. And we do so by putting it in here. So before getting the content itself, I'm going to check the category. For category and post categories category name. And there is going to be the if in here. Oops, this is wrong. Oh, well, I can keep it in. And just change it. If category.name equals xxx x, then write hell yeah. And if and if. Okay. So currently nothing should happen because I don't have a category called xxxxx. But I have a category called block. So save this. And if you try to check the code, it's going to be like, okay, repeat the post entry, but with any post entry where the block category name is, where the category name is block, then please write hell yeah, and then go on with what we had until today. Let me refresh the page. And with every block entry, we should now have an hell yeah before the title. And with every wallpaper entry, there should be nothing. Okay, it just updated itself. So here it is, hell yeah, block entry, block entry. Here's the next hell yeah, block entry, and then another one, hell yeah. But with the wallpapers, nothing. So the trick here is to do this. H3. I'm going to copy all of this and put it in here. Okay. Please try to concentrate on starting on line 13 to 29. So what I'm doing is, please check the categories or get the categories. Then check the category name, and if it's block, then do this. So currently, as we have many wallpaper entries, those should not pop up. They should not be possible to be viewed in here. Sorry. So I'm updating my website. So we have one block entry, another block entry, another block entry, and all the wallpaper entries are gone. Forget the pagination currently at the moment, but yeah, as you can see, the wallpapers are gone. So this way we already have the definition for the layout for the block entries. Now I want to change this and make this and if as an else if. Oh, sorry, I think I must separate it. No. Oh, yes? I will try it that way. I could look it up right now, but I want to try it out. Else if category dot name equals wallpaper, then write xxxxxxx. Sorry. Okay, let's see if this works. I'm currently not sure if I have to write the else if together as one word or separated. We will see it in a second, if it's going to work like that or if I get an exception. Because, yeah, I get an exception, so I have to separate them. Dear English people, why can't you invent the word else if? Else if. Is it so complicated? Else if. Okay. Refresh. Another exception. What's wrong with you? What am I doing wrong? If category blah 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 blah. Ah, sorry. It's written together as else if. And this equal must be gone. Else if category names equals wallpaper. Oh. This is how you make a computer crazy. If you say x equals to 5 equals 9. This is the reason why you don't have to be afraid of computers, but of people. The problem is the human being, not the computer. Okay, where is the wallpaper? Where are the wallpapers? There they are. You can see it here. The next, like, 7 entries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entries, because we have 3 posts, and then we could go... Sorry. Go to the next page, etc. So this works. This means that I can now show in here in wallpaper the image, but this is not going to work, and I'm going to show you why. No, sorry, going back from, I'm going to take it the easy way and copy and paste code, because if you remember, the images coming from the wallpaper entries are not featured images connected to the block entries, but what is it called, or what was it called, coming from folders, really super nice organized folders. So what I'm doing here is simply copy these 3 lines that I created for the wallpaper side and put them in there. So workaholic block. Okay, so I copied and pasted it in here. So coming from the post published slice, I get the year, etc., etc. This should be it. If we look at it and refresh it, then we should have 7 nicely designed images. Hey, where are you? There you are. The quality is not good because if you remember, we resized them here to 200, and I think that I'm going to increase this. You know what? I'm going to remove it totally so that you get the... Nah, better not. Because they are 10 at 9020 and it's quite big. So let's put here an 800 pixels, and even this is quite big, but it's smaller than 1019 at 1920 by 1080. So let's see how the quality is like. Refresh the page. Sorry. So this is the current quality of the wallpapers, and now he's going to load the new ones at 800 pixels. What are way better, as you can see. Okay, so we have to do a separation between them, not only the images but also the, as you can see here beneath the what is it called, the second post hello, weiterlesen. And the image itself, there is quite no space. So I'm going to put here under weiterlesen, coming from Fomantic, a so-called hidden divider. Div class equals UI hidden divider. Wait. My first idea was to do this with every entry, but that's nonsense. Because I can do it after this category check. Jesus, sorry, here, under line 34. So this way I don't have to, if I have 10 categories, I would have to put the divider 10 times per category in there. But that would be like 2 bytes or 5 bytes of code needed to be loaded. And we want to keep things as minimalistic as possible so that we can load wallpapers of the size of 200 kilobytes. Okay, so you see a separation right now from within the entries. And yeah, this is it. I'm now going to put a button here below. And that button is going to lead to the original image so that people can directly download it. And that's it. So this way you can change the layout of your block entries depending on how you want each item to be shown, depending on the category. And I'm going to have further categories where I will have different layouts, so this is going to be quite useful. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself and use a mask.